Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to clear activity history on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To clear activity history on Windows 11 computer, click on Start menu, click on Settings. Now click on Privacy and Security. Now scroll down. Under Windows permissions, you will find activity history. Click on activity history. Now you will find an option here, clear activity history for this account. Click on clear history. And now click on clear. Now activity history has been cleared from your Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.